How to submit invoices on the PorterGO Desktop Portal. Before we start, to help speed up your funding request and avoid delays, it's important to have all required paperwork organized and ready before submitting loads through the PorterGO Desktop Portal. Make sure you have the following documents scanned and saved on your computer: rate sheet, signed pickup BOL, lumper receipt, invoice, and any additional supporting documents. Let's begin. Navigate to the Porter homepage at www.porterfreightfunding.com. Click the Login button in the top right corner. Scroll down and click the PorterGO Portal button. Click the Submit Invoice button. Select the Upload Rate Sheet button and upload your file. Note: include as many pages as needed per section. The more information, the better. Select the Upload Signed Pickup Bill of Lading button and upload your file. Select the Upload Lumper Receipt button and upload your file. Select the Upload Invoice button and upload your file. Note: this is optional, but you will still need to enter an invoice number later in the submission process. If you have other supporting documents that need to be uploaded, follow the same process to upload your file. Click the Continue button. Enter the broker or shipper name and select the correct option from the list. Enter the load number. Enter the load rate. Click the Continue button. Enter the invoice number if you have it, and click Continue. Click the arrow on the drop-down menu to select your preferred funding method. If you have any notes for us, please enter them and click the Continue button. Review the information and select the Add to Batch button if you would like to hold the invoice and upload additional loads later. This batching feature is helpful if you fund once per week or are waiting on additional paperwork before submitting loads for funding. If you are ready to complete your submission, select the Send to Porter Freight Funding button. It's as easy as that. Please reach out if you need assistance. Our phone number is 256-502-8200 or you can email us at support@porterbilling.com.